What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Swing Sock Sunday, where we give out your favorite swing plays for the week. Before we get started, if y'all could like, comment, subscribe. That'll help me put me in the algorithm to get more views and more exposure and stuff like that. But other than that, let's get into it. I know I don't like to make these videos too long. So first things first, let's see what type of news we got for the week. So we got nothing on Monday. Tuesday we have some Fed speakers. Actually, a lot of Fed speakers. Wednesday, we got CPI or Consumer Price Index plus Jerome Powell. This is important. We got Jerome Powell speaking twice, 2 days in a row, Tuesday and Wednesday. So, and the federal budget on Wednesday as well, plus more Fed speakers. So, Wednesday is a pretty news heavy day. Then we got PPI, Producer Price Index, on Thursday, plus jobless claims. And then IPI on Friday. So this is a pretty news packed week. Last week was kind of flat, nothing too crazy going on. But you see, last week was flat, so this weekend, that's what the market does. When it's not a lot of news and not a lot of stuff going on, it'll be flat. But the next week, as you can see, super news heavy. So you should expect a lot of news this week. It's gonna be a lot going on, a lot of news, a lot of information, a lot of market reactions. So yeah, that's what I see for this week. Um, so let's go to see what SPY's looking like. So SPY for the week printed a green candle. So we are looking at one, two, three, four straight bull candles going into for the past 4 weeks or the past month or so. But if you look closely, these are creating lower highs here. The market is creating lower highs at this area of resistance right up here at the top. So it's not wanting to create new highs once it comes to this level here. It's not wanting to create new highs, it's creating new lows. You see Friday or the last day of the week, it printed you a pretty strong bearish candle, which could be an indication for, a pullback or us having a potential red week. But we'll see how it goes. For now, the market, as always, um, is designed to be bullish, right? But anytime you see something like this, where it doesn't want to create a high, you'd be a little bit more worried. When price is near highs, like this is all time highs here, you'd be a little bit more cautious with how you how you run your plays. So that's how I'm running it. Especially on a news heavy week like this, we can absolutely get some push to the downside. But of course, we'll see what the market provides. Same here, as you can see with QQQ, same type of chart deal. Price is not wanting to exceed or break this area. This 233.69 area for QQQ and this 610 area on SPY. Also, let's look at our crypto. Crypto has been in a pretty significant bear market. Not bear market, excuse me. It's been had a pretty significant dip, and it's kind of like it's getting stagnant right now. Um, you see all this choppy action here on Bitcoin. You'll see that a bunch of choppy action here on XRP, Solana, choppy action. We're not getting these solid bull candles or these solid bull pushes anymore. We're getting some consolidation. Market slowing down a bit. Same here with Doge. Slow down. Um, honestly, in times like this, when market's slowing down, just chopping up, this wouldn't be a horrible time to buy some good crypto that you like long term. I like Doge at this price. I want to get into H bar. I like AAVE. Even Solano at 200 is really good. Um, XRP. I still like Bitcoin at like 92 ish, maybe at 92, 93 ish. But yeah, that's the crypto market. And let's get into our actual swing plays. So we still in our Celsius swings. Celsius is not getting no love right now. It nearly hit my one of my stop losses, but as you see, it's not getting no love. It's chopping down. It's not moving down fast, but it's just chopping down. You see, we here. I mean, pretty low on the RSI going up Celsius. So I still like it. It's just it's moving slow. It's not getting no real love. Um, but we'll see how it moves. Also, still holding CT CSTM. We still have this bullish divergence holding up pretty good. Right there. Still got that bullish divergence holding up pretty good. Um, Again, I'm always going to be cautious. These low price stocks. Anything can happen with them. But we'll wait for that. And also holding up on this bullish divergence on PRU, another stock that I'm currently holding, and it is also still holding up this bullish divergence. So that's where we're currently in. And let's get into what I'm looking at for next week. So because the market is pretty high, as far as my swings go, if the market does get a down push, I wouldn't mind getting into some puts, but I kind of have to see how the market reacts going into the week because we could push higher. So this is more so like a be patient type of week for me. So the number one stock I'm looking at is USPH, or the US Physical Therapy Incorporation. I like this double bottom here, this double bottom right here, and I believe no, it wasn't. It wasn't this. This is just a simple double bottom play, and I'll show the pattern for that for those who are unaware. So this is a double bottom. Where it comes to one bottom, comes up and comes back. I feel like I get a better picture than that. Um, Here we go. Double bottom here, where a price comes to a low, shoots up, it comes back, uses this as support, and bounces up. I guess if you want the investor Peter definition, um, a technical analysis charting pattern that describes a change and trend and momentum reversal from prior leading price action. In layman's terms, when price comes down to the previous bottom, creating a double bottom or support and bouncing back up. So this is probably my favorite here, US Physical Therapy. Number two, I have On. This is something I was looking at last week and I missed the move. I wanted price to come here to this 50.33 area, and it did it, and it gave a bit of a pop. It went from 50 to 53. That would have been a nice little trade there. But I missed it. But sometimes when you miss trades, it comes right back to where you want it. So this bullish divergence is still holding up. Not really. So the bullish divergence isn't really holding up anymore. It's more so like equal lows here on the R side, but it's still good as far as this is also, if you look at the weekly, this is also a bit of a double bottom here. This is a previous bottom here, came all the way back. I mean, this is a 2022 bottom. It's finally back, and just looking for a bit of a bounce here on semiconductor. Also, when it comes to, like, if you know a certain stock, and I'll make a separate video on fundamental analysis probably this week. But if you know a certain stock is in a certain sector, it's also good to check the sector to see how the sector is doing itself. So the semiconductor sector, which is like a TSM, who's a semiconductor. It's important to check the how the entire industry is doing, how the entire the entire industry as a whole is doing. That'll kind of give you another indication on whether it's a good buy or not. Just a little bit more added information or added context when it comes to the swings that I like to get in. Next, here I have CLB, Core Labs. As you can see, we got ourselves another bullish divergence here. I'll pull up the RSI. Boom. So you see here, we got ourselves some bullish divergence. And also, we are at a bit of a low. So this also could be considered, I won't say a double bottom, but this is definitely an area of support here. It's playing in this area of support. And this is where you like to buy a stock like this or swing a stock like this at the bottom. Creating a prime formation. You see it hit it first. It already hit it before. It gave you a bit of a bounce. Now it's coming back and looking forward to potentially take off again. So that's three. Now I'll throw a little extra one in here. Um, Consider it 3B. I like this one too. I like this bullish divergence here on LBS. Like I said again, the market is at highs, so I'm playing everything a little bit more cautiously. But as you can see, these certain stocks, these certain patterns, they check out as far as bullish divergence go. So that's what I like for this week. Um, I'll be because it is a news heavy week. I'll be a little bit more, cautious, a little bit more on guard with a lot of my plays. But we'll adapt, we'll adjust, and yeah, that's all I got. Let's make some money, and yeah, good luck.